What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So this is how the hash brown casserole came out on Father's Day morning. I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the highlight this week from hubby's me time food shopping, right, on Father's Day. So the Selena Gomez Oreos, oh my goodness, and the limited edition, the goldfish. So Kara is the goldfish girl. I don't know if she's gonna rock, but I know he only bought these because they were Old Bay season and the Frank's Red Hot. Miss Girl. So that's rocking. I think I'm gonna try those though. I'm kind of curious, but we're gonna head out for Father's Day. I'll see you in a little bit.
Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
So we are at the Philadelphia Academy of Music here to see The Wiz. The production was phenomenal. The girls had so much fun. Hubby had such a good time. It was the best Father's Day. So this one is going to rock from HelloFresh tonight. The pork sausage cavatappi bolognese. Doesn't it look good? So yes, on that. It has zucchini and all that rocking in there. So we're going to get into this quick and fast. It says 5-minute prep, 30 minutes, right? So that's perfect for me. So I pulled out the sweet Italian pork sausage. Oh, the onion just went rolling. So the Parmesan cheese, right? The zucchini is rocking. Some Italian seasoning, some chicken stock concentrate. Here's the cavatappi. And the onion went rolling, so that right there. So I'm just going to cut this up, slice that up, and yeah, I'll be good to go. So I realized that I wanted to use the peeler, right, and get some of the skin off. It didn't really matter, but kind of, sort of, right? So I went to do that, and I'll slice up an onion. I started chopping it up, and I realized later that the recipe kind of went for sliced onions, so you'll see later I have them both in there. So, but yes, on that, how's your week been so far? I feel like I've been okay, not too much going on. I feel like I'm falling behind a little bit on the decor, but it's okay. I'll get it together. It's just a lot going on in the house. You know what I mean? Girls getting ready for their extended school year and all, so in a few minutes, you'll hear like kind of a conversation between hubby and Sydney and Hershey. Hershey grabbed her bag or something. It was a whole thing, but just in case, right, I wanted to explain it to you first that was about to go down. Oh my goodness. So Sydney is kind of fussing at Hershey.
She just came up.
Oh. What happened?
What happened?
What happened? Where did she go with your bag?
No. Get them in. Put their bags. No. Oh, don't put your bags.
She's so funny.
That's all. Did you? Yes. I said,
Hershey got the bag.
yes. Good job. All right.
Daddy got the bag back. How was my day?
Yes.
It was good.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive.
So normally that is how our evenings go for the most part, right? Hubby will come in, he greets everyone, and he'll sit at the island. If I'm cooking like now, he'll sit down at the island and talk to me. We'll talk about, he'll ask me how my day was and, what's going on, any updates with the girls and things like that. So it's kind of like a quick kind of chill moment for us. And then, we'll just get ready for dinner and things. So yeah, that's normally, usually you guys don't see him, but he's definitely there. And so, I'm showing you my onion bowl, right? Yes, on that. I think I use that bowl. Oh my goodness, that and the sour cream is like a must, right? So this Italian, what am I using? Pork sausage, right? But it was in like the link, so I was squeezing it out the skin. So that's what I was doing. like I was taking something. I don't know who that is behind me. I think it was Sydney. And so yeah, I'm gonna just brown this up quick and fast, right? And we'll be good to go.
About how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime, you and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
So I feel like coming up, I was trying to think of what's going on. It's just a lot of in the house things going on with us, right? So painting the living room and dining room, starting to do some work on the basement, which is pretty much kind of a full gut job for the most part. And when I've started taking footage of that just so that you can see the beginning, all the way through to the end. And it was just horrible because, when we did purchase the house, and everything was completely new, completely finished, and then we had the water problems in the basement. So this is the same broth that I use to make Hershey's treats. I let it melt because I totally forgot that it has onions and garlic in it, and the it's not good for the dogs. So remember the one she was eating? She didn't eat it. She left it on the rug and it kind of melted a little bit, and then I had to wash it because I had beef broth in it. So, oh my goodness. So yes on that. And then I saw it in the comments. I was like, oh my goodness. So yeah, definitely. But so we're not going to do that anymore. And yeah, so everything's coming together nice, right? This looks so good. We tore it up, made garlic bread, right? You'll see me make some garlic bread. Throw that with it. Throw that zucchini on top. Oh my goodness. So, right? All the water damage, we got the French drain put in. They cut the studs crazy. It's just been a whole thing. So I'm really, really excited because, my basement is the footprint of my home, so it's just like a whole nother space, and we just can't wait, so just doing little things to make it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, wasn't that good looking? So we just look at Hershey waiting for me to drop a crumb or something. We just want to make the space nice and cozy, and I'm just so excited. You see the shirt I have on? It says be different. It says, yeah, you can see the top. It says be different. When you look at it, my husband was staring at me for a few minutes because he couldn't figure out what it said because it was different, right? But if I'm looking in a mirror, it looks like it's correct. It's such a cute shirt. I got it from Amazon. So so that is what is going on. So all of those things and just getting the girls ready for ESY, the extended school year. It's just been a little hectic in here, but we're going to get it together.
What's your weakness?
Yes. So the garlic bread is rocking on the side, right? I have that leftover zucchini that I had left on the sheet pan. So I'm going to eat that. I wanted to make it feel like I had veggies on the side, even though they're in there. But I sprinkled the parm on top, and yeah, I'm about to tear this up.
Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection, lights a
So excited still about the cleanup I did in here. Oh my goodness. So we're back in here, right, in the Disney Beauty Room. Be our guest. Like I could say that now and it be guesty. So the first thing I'm going to do is just change the linen out and everything. And I just washed this like maybe a week and a half ago in here. So I have a cover over it, you know, the mattress cover, so I don't need to take that off. But I did get new sheets, a new comforter, right? Got it from Amazon. I just wanted to switch out the color and make it a little bit more neutral. I've been rocking mini for a few years now, so I just wanted to, you know, switch it up a little bit, and this was perfect. And I say that because all of my ears are going across the headboard and they're all different colors. So I kind of wanted to mute it a little bit. So this is the only thing that's going to change in this video, right? The bedding, but we're going to get to the shelves and, you know, just I am all, look, I got to go to the other side. I had all the sheet on one side. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, and I need to move my work bag too over there. So, but yeah, I'm so excited. We come in here now, the girls, right? We're in here every day anyway, because this is where, you know, we're sitting at the vanity and we're getting ready, and Kara's putting on the blush now. So cute, right? So she's like smashing the brush on her cheeks. And she's using the Charlotte Tilbury. We need to get her some e.l.f. or something, right? She's going to be using it like that. So yes, on that. It's just I'm excited. I'm excited about all the changes and just all the updates and just all the things, you guys. So, yeah.
Already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come.
I'm going to be fumbling with this pillow because I was trying to figure out where to put it, because Hershey, you know, she's chewing up the pillows now, the decorative pillows. So I couldn't figure it out. So I just kind of sat it there for a minute, but yes. All right. So hubby and I are going back and forth. I'm like, we need to pick this color because it's about to go down, right? So I remember when we went to Home Depot. So I ran to Sherwin-Williams because that's the color. I mean, that's the place that we're going to get the paint from. So I just ran there and grabbed these. So, you know, I want the powder room to be kind of greeny, somewhere in this family. And then the living room and dining room. Like, I feel like this is where we are right now, but I wanted to go a little bit, you know, darker, practical beige or utopia. That doesn't say utopia. Oh, yeah, it does say utopia. I'm thinking like the Royal Caribbean shit we were just on. It's not spelled the same. So I narrowed it down to these. Hubby had a whole fit. So, y'all, I don't know. I don't know what's about to go down. He doesn't like the green at all. He's cool. He's very cool tone. I'm very warm tone. So we have to meet somewhere in the middle. This is all what I'm trying to rock, so I don't know. And you don't like any of these greens?
No.
Nothing. Not even a lighter one like Haven? Isn't it pretty?
Maybe not.
Maybe Vintage Vessel. I could kind of compromise on that, I feel like. I don't know. Do you have any reservations about any of these? Like, you think one is too light or too dark? You know what I keep... I don't know. I don't know, you guys. And Hershey's ringing the bell. Oh, my goodness. So, you know, the powder room is right off the kitchen, right? So I put some paint swatches on the wall trying to see what's what. I think this is the Haven. I feel like I like that. I feel like maybe this is a little bit too dark, and I think that's what he's worried about, the space being too dark. Maybe one shade lighter. So we'll go back and forth and do something, some virtual, do the room color and we'll pick. But yeah, I think this looks pretty. All right. Yes, I did a little bit of damage at the Bath and Body Works in my annual sale. Miss Girl, oh my goodness. I am going to do a quick haul, but it's going to be on the shopping channel. So I'll see you guys on Sunday. We're going to do a little bit of bee and honey. Bee and lemon decor. Yes, right. Because Kara told me, right? The first day of summer is Friday, so we need to get it together. I'll see you soon. Bye.